Welcome to this installment of Rafter Equipment's maintenance series.
When it comes to your side passes, or some call them idlers, we're going to look at the timing issues and how to address them. First, spread the chairs apart so you can get the 2-inch side of a 1-2-3 block between the chair and the center support. Depending on the size of your mill, use the appropriate blocks. Next, bring the chairs in until one of the chairs touches the block. Note that if both sides touch at the same time, then you're already centered and there's nothing left to do. If you weren't that lucky and only one chair is touching the 1-2-3 blocks, then begin by breaking the set screw loose on the adjusting block. Then, put a socket on the adjusting screw and a wrench on the centering nut. Whenever you're making a centering nut adjustment, keep the adjusting screw from turning. You're looking to get an equal distance on either side of the center line, so you use your blocks as a guide. Keep adjusting the chair adjusting nut and adjusting screw to bring both chairs into the 1-2-3 blocks on both sides of the center support. You'll have to play with this a bit to get it centered. Once everything is adjusted correctly, tighten down the set screw in the adjusting block.
Now your side passes should be timed correctly.